After generating hundreds of millions in sales from Facebook ads, there's one thing I've learned. Too many people lose money on Facebook ads because they're choosing the wrong objective. Today, I'm going to walk you through each Facebook ad objective and show you which ones actually lead to sales and which ones Facebook hopes you'll waste your money on. And hey, stick around because at the end of this short video, I'm going to give you something that's helped me and the businesses we work with consistently profit millions from ads. It's called the Codex, but I'll give you more on that later. Facebook ads give you 6 main objectives, and if you don't know what each one really does, you're going to lose a lot of money. Let's break them down and make sure you choose the ones that actually grow your business. Awareness. Awareness sounds good if you're just starting out. Get your name out there, right? But here's the problem. The awareness objective normally doesn't lead to fast sales. Unless you've got a huge budget and time to spare, awareness is a very effective way of wasting your money. For most businesses, especially if you need results fast, awareness won't do the trick and won't help you generate more sales. Traffic. The traffic objective is the trap many beginners fall into. Use it and Facebook will send tons of people to your website, but here's the catch. Traffic campaigns are optimized for clicks, not conversions. You'll get plenty of website visitors, but 99 times out of 100, the quality will be absolute garbage. When you're after sales, this objective will disappoint. By the way, I cover exactly how to avoid these money pits and make Facebook ads profitable in the Codex. I'll tell you more about that at the end, but for now, let's focus on finding the best ad objectives to make you sales. Engagement. With engagement, Facebook is optimizing for social proof, likes, shares, and comments. It might feel good to see your posts blowing up with engagement, but here's the reality. Those likes aren't translating into sales. If you want to turn a profit, skip engagement and focus on objectives that drive cold, hard cash into your bank account. Leads. The leads objective is perfect if you're a service-based business looking to get inquiries, bookings, or appointments. But there's more to generating leads than just filling your pipeline. Here's the trap too many advertisers and business owners fall into. They chase cheap leads. The thinking is the more leads you get, the more opportunities you'll have to make sales. But the truth is, it's not about the quality of the leads, it's all about the quality. A cheap lead might cost you, say, $10, but if it doesn't make you a profit, it's not sustainable. On the other hand, a quality lead might cost $50 or $100. But if that lead generates $500 in profit, now you're cooking with gas. To get leads that turn into sales, you need your messaging to be hyper-targeted. For example, instead of creating an ad for decision makers at IT companies around the world, narrow your messaging down so it's designed for something like CEOs at cybersecurity companies in the US. When your ad speaks directly to the pain points of that very specific person, that's when you'll start seeing real results. So to recap, the leads objective is where Facebook's algorithm starts working for you. As long as you have a great offer, by combining this ad objective with laser targeted messaging, you're not going to waste your time on low interest, low profit leads. You'll be setting yourself up for massive sales. Now, if you're in the app business, app promotion is probably where you want to focus. It's a niche objective, so unless you're in that space, don't bother with it. Let's move on to the objective you've probably been waiting for. Sales. The sales objective. This is the one that matters most for e-commerce or any business looking to drive direct sales. Facebook will optimize your ads to find people who are ready to buy right now. This is where the fast money's made. But remember, over 90% of your audience won't be ready to buy the first time they see your ad. Sales ads don't tend to work straight out of the gate. They normally require testing and tweaking, and much like lead ads, the more you can speak to one very specific person with one very specific problem, the more likely you are to turn a profit. We've generated millions using the sales objective, but if you have a high-ticket product, say between $500 and $1,000, you might struggle to sell using it. In that case, focus on generating leads first and use email sequences or webinars to nurture those prospects until they're ready to give you their hard-earned money. So there you have it. Facebook gives you options like awareness, traffic, and engagement, maybe hoping you'll waste your budget chasing vanity metrics. After all, for Facebook, these are the easiest ads to deliver. All they're really doing is getting a bunch of people to take very low cost, low risk, low intent actions such as watching a video or clicking a link. But if you want results, if you want sales or qualified leads that will become sales, you need to focus on the leads or sales objectives. Now, we've spent years figuring out the best strategies to make Facebook ads generate millions for ourselves and the people we work with across a wide range of markets and niches. These strategies are packed into something new we've created for people looking to grow their sales online. It's called the Codex. If you're serious about growing your business, go grab it for free at client-cloning.com. I'll put the link below the video in the comments and description. And now that you've seen how these objectives can make or break your Facebook ads, I want to hear from you. What has your experience been with Facebook ads? Have you struggled with low quality leads or wasted too much time chasing expensive clicks? Or maybe you've had some big wins. Let me know in the comments. We've worked with businesses of all sizes, and I can tell you, you're not alone in this. The more we talk about what works and what doesn't work, the better we all get. And if you've got questions about optimizing your ads, drop them below too. I'll be jumping into the comments to help answer them. And remember, don't let Facebook take your money without giving you real results. It is an amazing ad platform, but it will happily charge you for ads that have close to zero chance of generating sales. Download the Codex and I'll show you exactly how we generate millions in sales using AI, the latest time-saving tools, and timeless strategies that will work for decades to come. Go grab it for free at client-cloning.com. Go grab it for free at client-cloning.com. Have a great day.